So, Sip Nation, I want us to talk about Ashley. I see other people are saying people are trying and YouTubers are trying to decampaign Ashley. That's not the truth. We're not convincing anyone to hate or to like Ashley, especially from this platform, from the Real Housewife of the Villa platform, siblings. We are not forcing anyone to hate her or to love her. Understand? It was a cute couple between her. They are just a cute couple, her and Gulova together. But Ashley does have something serious mentally. And she did mention that she was once admitted to a mental institution. She said it on live television, and she even said, "Oh, Bonnie B looks like a crazy chick with no eyebrows, and she looks like she's crazy." And she said, "No jokes. Seriously, she looks like another chick that was with her in the same ward." Okay, so now we had that and we said, okay, Ashley, that was it. We listen, we don't judge. Okay, that was your journey, you passed that. Everyone has a dark side to them. It's fine, we understand, we can work with that, you know. But now, one thing that I've realized, when she start fighting, that girl changes. It's like she is possessed. You look at the way she walks, you look at her facial demeanor, you look at her eyes. Yo guys, I think you must go back to the videos and watch very carefully, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Hence I'm saying this is not just a banter, this is not just a content. This shows some sign. It's a red flag, guys. It's a red flag, and I hope Biggie will pick it up and do something about it to calm her down. She can fight with other housemates, but it shows. You saw how Mandy Hagen and Nzugu were fighting. Mandy Hagen was like, high. She was so high, and you could see she wanted the fight, but there was some sort of a human person in her that was reprimanding her, talking to her ear and say, don't do that, don't do that. There was that thing in her ear, even though she was drunk and all that. But this one, last night, she was not drunk. She was pure sober. Guys, it's scary. It's so scary. And I hope Sweet Gulova will handle this very well, because it's going to affect him a lot. Hence, he told her that I am not gonna get involved in your fights. I thought you and Mshini were friends, because Mshini is not my friend. So I thought you were friends, but I'm not taking anyone's side, but I'm not gonna get involved. You will fight once you have done fighting. Sweet Gulova, once you're done fighting, then I'll come and check on you. Okay, that's what he told her, and he said, I don't appreciate the question that you pose about me and Mshini. She is your friend, not my friend. I don't appreciate that. And one thing that I've noticed at the end, after Sweet Gulova said to her, I choose you and I'll always choose you, not anyone. She smiled and she said, I don't think, and she was rubbing her hair like backwards. She said, I don't think you're gonna say I'm crazy. She said, I think you are going to say I'm crazy. And she looks at Olon Sweet Gulova right in his eyes. You are going to say I'm crazy. And mind you, this thing I've picked up, people who are, not balanced upstairs, they would always say that you are going to say I'm crazy, I'm crazy. You remember she said she's not a baddie, she's a maidie. She knew what she was saying. Her fight is just a normal fight between the housemates. You saw, hey guys, You saw the way she popped up the balloon with the scissors, and she was like, and the person who inflated this balloon. Yo, that was so scary, guys. Let me show you.
You took the black one. Did you return the black pen? Yeah, I'll keep them to myself. I didn't take a black pen, I took a blue pen. Yo, guys, never. I took a blue pen. I only found the blue one. The black one's already found over there. Yo, I want my man. Is it 2 hours?
Yeah, you guys will sort out tomorrow morning. Let's all just have a good night's sleep. Let's go. Let's go.
I don't have a rainbow.